If you're looking to create responsive proof pop-ups for mobile that grab attention and convert visitors into customers, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up pop-ups that are perfectly optimized for mobile users using a software solution that makes this process incredibly easy and effective. First, let's quickly go over why responsive proof pop-ups are so essential, especially for mobile users. As mobile traffic continues to grow, businesses need to make sure their pop-ups display well on smaller screens and function smoothly without interrupting the user experience. Responsive design ensures that your pop-up looks great no matter what device your potential customers are on, increasing the chances of engagement and conversions. Now, let's dive into how you can create these mobile-optimized proof pop-ups. The good news is you can do it all with a straightforward, user-friendly software tool. If you check the first link in the description below, you can start using this software for free with our exclusive bonuses. This tool simplifies the process and is perfect for beginners, so stick around to the end to learn how to take full advantage of that free trial. The first step in creating responsive proof pop-ups is to make sure you're starting with a mobile-friendly template. Most software tools offer templates, and you want to select one that's specifically designed for mobile devices. These templates are already optimized for smaller screens and offer customization options, so you can tweak them to fit your brand's look and feel. Once you've selected a template, you'll need to focus on timing and trigger settings. For mobile devices, it's critical to set up pop-ups that appear at the right moment without overwhelming the user. Consider using exit intent pop-ups or time delays that make sense for your audience. Exit intent pop-ups are great for capturing attention right before a user leaves the page. Timed pop-ups are perfect for engaging users after they've spent a few seconds on your site. Next, let's talk about the copy and design of your proof pop-ups. Make sure your messaging is clear and concise, as mobile users don't want to read lengthy text on small screens. Focus on social proof and urgency, with text like "over 1,000 people just signed up" or "limited time offer, act now." This helps increase conversions by leveraging the fear of missing out and showing potential customers that others are taking action. As you design your pop-up, pay close attention to the layout. You'll want to keep it simple and avoid clutter. Large buttons that are easy to click, clear headlines, and minimal text work best for mobile screens. Make sure your pop-up is centrally placed so it doesn't interfere with any important content on the page, and use a mobile-first approach to design. Now, let's talk about testing. Once your responsive proof pop-up is set up, it's time to test how it looks and behaves on different devices. Most software tools allow you to preview your pop-up on both desktop and mobile versions of your site. Make sure the pop-up doesn't look too big or too small, and that it doesn't obstruct essential parts of the page. You also want to ensure that the pop-up works smoothly without slowing down the page load time, as mobile users are especially sensitive to delays. Finally, remember that you can use A/B testing to determine which pop-ups perform the best. Test different messages, designs, and trigger times to see what resonates most with your mobile audience. This way, you'll be able to refine your approach and optimize your pop-ups for maximum conversion. Now, before we wrap up, remember that the software tool I'm showing you today is available completely free for an extended trial. Click the link below to get access to this powerful mobile-proof pop-up tool and take advantage of the bonuses available only through this offer. To sum it up, creating responsive proof pop-ups for mobile doesn't have to be complicated. With the right software, you can design pop-ups that not only look great, but also convert better. And remember, start with mobile-optimized templates, fine-tune your timing and design, and always test for the best results. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial below to get started today.